All right. Check out this mess. So, unfortunately, there's a little bit of a hiccup with this relay that I've got the top off of right now. So, I have to keep it in a horizontal position. Otherwise, the contacts will fall and connect. So, I'm going to get the big motor started while I've got this thing, laying down or standing upright, and then I'm going to get it set up flat, and I'll kind of give you an idea what I got going on here once I get the three-phase or the big motor running. So bear with me a minute. That was not anticipated. Oh God. Point the direction I want you to point. One of these days I'll get a better camera stand. Maybe. Okay. Let's see here. How am I going to do this? This is the first time I've tried the 2 horsepower motor. So, here goes nothing. I got it set up to reverse right now. That's more like it. Okay. Now I've got to take some voltage and current measurements on this thing. How am I going to do that? I'm going to reposition the camera and bring you guys in closer on the control board over here. Alright. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay over the motor, so I'll do the best I can to explain things. This relay was supposed to power the 5 horsepower motor, the phase converter basically, but unfortunately I'm going to have to replace that contactor, but at least it's working for the time being to allow me to test run this 2 horse. So anyways, green button controls one, the red button controls the other starter. And I gotta take some voltage and current measurements on these conductors to see what's happening. 114. 190. All right. Let's see how that changes when I put power to the 2-horse motor. 196, 219. All right. About 1.7 amp. Alright, so that factory leg is about 7.5 amps. Let's see, I don't think I can quite get I didn't give myself enough room to get the meter in on another conductor. Not quite enough room. All right. What about here? All right, 7.4. I think I can squeeze it in there. Maybe. Come on. All right, I guess I didn't think that part through very well, but all right, 7.4. What was this thing? 6.2 amps full load amperage on this motor. So, all right, let's see. Anyways, that was supposed to shut the motor off. I'm going to go kill the breaker to it and explain this a little bit. All right. Let me disconnect this also. So basically I've got my control power just off of plugging into a 120 volt receptacle. None of this is pretty. It's just quick and crude, down and dirty sort of thing. This was supposed to control this relay, which this relay provides power to the 5-horse motor. But since the contacts are all sticking, if I turn this thing upside down, it looks like it'll work just fine and dandy. So we'll see. I'll figure out what I'm going to do about that later. But anyways, this is all the control wiring, just using the normally open contacts on these two push buttons. One to control this relay, one to control this relay. And that's that. So, since I can power this motor, I'm probably going to swap this motor out for the from the 1 horsepower motor that's on the planer now, and see how this acts being forward and reversed constantly. See if it will stay a little bit cooler, or if I need to go, well, bigger. I think that is one of the big things, the big factors that I need to contend with on this, is getting a big enough motor that it can tolerate the constant forward and reverse cycles without, tolerate the inrush current from the constant forward and reverse cycle without getting stupid hot. So anyways, just another little stepping stone on my little test drive here. So anyways, I will catch you guys later.